Hi, boys and girls. This is Ms. Cohen, and today we are going to start reading Blood on the River together. We're going to read the first 2 chapters. So I just wanted to talk a little bit about the book before we begin. At the beginning of each chapter, you're going to notice that there's going to be some writing that will at the end say like where it came from. This writing is going to be a little bit difficult for us to understand because it's written, obviously this took place a long time ago. The people writing this came from England, and so the way they wrote was different than the way they spoke was different than the way we do today. But we will be talking about that and looking at that together, and I'll explain things as I need to as we go. Then there are a few things that are going to come up in these chapters I want you to know about. They're going to talk about a locket. A locket is one of those necklaces that you can open and people keep pictures inside. Okay, so that's what it is. And he's going to say mum a lot, M-U-M. And hopefully you'll be able to tell that that's just his word for his mom. Okay, so it's just a difference for mom. The setting is in London, England in 1606. We're going to meet a lot of the main characters here. And I want you, as we read these 2 chapters, to be thinking about our main character, Samuel, and what you can learn about him and how he grew up and his family. Maybe learn about why he acts the way he does, okay? And the last thing I want to mention is there's going to be a sentence that says, I am to be Captain Smith's page, which means I am to serve him and learn from him. Well, obviously, he's not going to be a page like a page in a book. So you have to use the rest of that sentence to figure out what that means. So if he says, I am to serve him, page is just another word for a servant. Okay? If you have any other questions, please leave them for me in Google Classroom and I'll be able to respond to you that way. All right, let's enjoy the book.